Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something truly tropical and refreshing for you. We're diving into the world of Chinese mango smoothie and uncovering some unknown facts about this delightful drink. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about the star of our show, mangoes. Did you know that mangoes have a long and rich history in China? They've been cultivated for over 4,000 years, making them an integral part of Chinese cuisine and culture. The process of making a Chinese mango smoothie is super simple. All you need are some ripe mangoes, a blender, and a little bit of water or milk. Blend it all together until smooth, and voila! You have a creamy and luscious mango smoothie. In China, you'll find mango smoothies being sold everywhere, from street food stalls to trendy cafes. It's a popular choice during the hot summer months when mangoes are in season. People love the vibrant color and sweet, tropical flavor of this refreshing beverage. Here's an interesting fact: China is one of the largest producers of mangoes in the world. With its diverse climate and fertile lands, China cultivates a wide variety of mangoes, each with its unique taste and texture. So, when you enjoy a Chinese mango smoothie, you're indulging in the best of the best. Mangoes hold a special place in Chinese culture, and there are even festivals dedicated to celebrating this juicy fruit. During these festivals, you'll find mango-themed decorations, competitions, and of course, a wide array of mango-infused treats, including our beloved mango smoothies. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of Chinese mango smoothie. Mangoes are not only delicious but also packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants. They are known to boost the immune system, improve digestion, and promote healthy skin. So, indulging in a mango smoothie is not only a treat for your taste buds but also a nourishing choice. Well, there you have it, folks. Chinese mango smoothie is a tropical delight that combines the rich history of mangoes in China with the refreshing flavors of this beloved fruit. Whether you're sipping it by the beach or enjoying it at home, this smoothie will transport you to a tropical paradise. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Cheers!